DJI's reputation for innovation in the drone industry is set to continue with the anticipated launch of its next flagship, the Mavic 4 Pro. Leaks, insider tips, and recent FCC filings have stirred excitement around this model, hinting at significant advancements in design, performance, and aerial imaging capabilities. As the drone world waits, the Mavic 4 Pro could reshape industry expectations. The FCC database recently revealed two Mavic 4 Pro models, labeled L3A and L3B, signaling an imminent release. While the differences between these versions are unclear, they suggest a tailored approach for varied user needs. An upgraded battery capacity, 6,654 mAh compared to the Mavic 3 Pro's 5,000 mAh, hints at longer flight durations and enhanced performance. These improvements cater to professional and hobbyist demands alike, offering more flexibility for extended operations. Speculation is rampant about a groundbreaking camera system. Leaked images show what appears to be a spherical module, potentially replacing the Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera setup. This could signal a shift toward multi-sensor technology, offering superior stabilization, image quality, and AI-powered features like advanced scene recognition. Such developments could elevate the Mavic 4 Pro into a class of its own, appealing to filmmakers, surveyors, and photography enthusiasts. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to deliver improvements in usability and mechanics. Early specifications point to a robust power system with a 95.3 watt-hour battery and enhanced mechanical designs for smoother flight. Key upgrades may include smarter AI-driven flight modes, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent tracking. These features, already benchmarks in modern drones, could receive further refinement to set the Mavic 4 Pro apart in a competitive market. The existence of two models, L3A and L3B, raises questions about DJI's market strategy. This dual approach could mirror DJI's previous Pro and Zoom versions, offering distinct capabilities at varied price points. A high-end version might target professionals with advanced features, while a streamlined model could cater to hobbyists, ensuring DJI's appeal across user segments. The Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera system redefined drone versatility and set a high standard for image quality. The Mavic 4 Pro has the challenge of not just meeting, but surpassing these achievements. With improvements in battery life, camera technology, and AI integration, the Mavic 4 Pro has the potential to become a go-to tool for aerial creativity. DJI's continued innovation comes amid regulatory scrutiny, particularly in the US, where the company faces potential operational restrictions. Despite these challenges, DJI remains a dominant force, as evidenced by simultaneous leaks of other products like the DJI Flip, a foldable drone concept. These developments highlight DJI's commitment to diversifying its portfolio and maintaining its leadership in the drone industry. The Mavic 4 Pro represents more than just an upgrade. It's poised to be a pivotal product for DJI and the industry at large. Whether through revolutionary camera systems, extended flight times, or smarter automation, it could set new benchmarks in aerial technology. As the world awaits official details, one thing is certain: DJI's latest flagship has the potential to redefine consumer and professional drones, solidifying its place as a leader in innovation and resilience.